What if I told you the secret to a perfect kitchen isn't just about the appliances or the countertops, it's about the faucet? That's right. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 kitchen faucets of 2025 that are revolutionizing the way we cook, clean, and design our kitchens. From sleek, modern designs to smart, touchless technology, these faucets are a must-have for any home. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Kohler Sous Pro Style Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet. The Kohler Sous Pro Style Sprayer Faucet is an all-around solid pick that gives you both a professional look and superior functionality. This type of faucet is known as a pre-rinse faucet because it features a high-arc spout with a distinct, exposed spring that gives you added flexibility as you clean. After months of use, the professional-style kitchen faucet proved top-notch and an easy addition to our daily routines. The installation process is straightforward and simple, requiring just 20 minutes and a few tools. We had no sink installation experience, and didn't hit any snags with setting up this faucet in our kitchen. The Kohler Sous Pro Style faucet measures 22 inches high, which is taller than other picks on our list with a pull-down style, but on par for professional-style kitchen faucets. Number 2. Delta Leland Single-Handle Touch Kitchen Sink Faucet. The Delta Leland Touch Kitchen Faucet is equal parts form and function, and we're fully convinced it should be the standard for all faucets going forward, making it our top pick. This faucet, which lives in our senior editor Marissa Viglioni's home, can be turned on and off in a few different ways. Like a traditional kitchen faucet, you can adjust the handle at the base, or you can touch anywhere on the handle or neck. Don't be confused, this isn't a touchless faucet, but it offers a lot of the same perks as one, since you can use your wrist or arm to turn the water on instead of messy or full hands. Number 3. Bidet Flow Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. The Bidet Flow Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet is an absolute game-changer if you're going from a regular faucet to a touchless one. It will have you raving about your kitchen faucet at get-togethers with friends, thanks to its flawless design and performance. Its price tag sits right in the middle for kitchen faucets, too, at under $250 at time of publish, making it a great overall value. Throughout our months of testing, this touchless faucet stayed in pristine condition since the lack of contact makes it super easy to keep it smudge and scuff-free. You don't have to worry about any germs lingering on it if you're washing your hands after handling raw foods, which is a big reason why touchless kitchen faucets are becoming increasingly popular. Number 4. Grohe Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet with Sprayer. With a sleek, low profile, the Grohe Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet makes a subtle choice for contemporary kitchens. It's the only low-arc pick on our list and, with a faucet height of 7.13 inches, it's ideal for homes that have shelving or any window sills that prevent the installation of a taller model. The straightforward design features a wide, flat lever. While we found the lever to be a bit stiff at first, it's not overly sensitive to temperature adjustments. There's also a light indicator, blue for cold, green for warm, and red for hot, which lowers your chance of being accidentally scalded by hot water, something we loved with our top pick, too, the Delta Leland Touch Kitchen Faucet. Number 5. Kraus Oletto Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. A matte gold kitchen faucet is an easy way to elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. The Kraus Oletto Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is available in an antique, champagne brass finish, among others, offering a super sophisticated take on the gold fixture trend. But you'll get more than good looks when you choose this kitchen faucet. It's completely up to daily cleaning tasks. It has a toggle switch for stream or spray functions, and the lever for temperature control is intuitive and easy to adjust, up for cold and down for hot. The silicone spray holes are easy to clean, and some regular maintenance will keep mineral deposits from restricting water flow. So, which of these kitchen faucets are you upgrading to? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you find the perfect faucet for your kitchen, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, happy upgrading!